BSc Chemistry, Semester 6 Cluster A3. Title of the paper: Analysis of drugs, foods, dairy products, and biochemical analysis. So it is a very important paper for industry purpose, like that pharmaceutical industry and bulk drug industry and dairy industries. So very useful to, are also known as in everyday life. So in this paper consisting of 5 units. So unit 1 having analytic, and the antipyretics, like paracetamol and aspirin. So both are analgesics and antipyretic drugs, and in this unit are also covered in the antibiotics, like penicillin and tetracycline, amoxicillin. And also unit 1 covered are also anti-malaria drugs like chloroquine. So all these drugs covered unit 1, and another unit, second unit, antihistamines and sedatives. So antihistamines like antihistamines and sedatives like Allegra and cetirizine. And third unit covered the anticonvulsant drugs, analysis of anticonvulsant drugs like phenobarbital, phenazimide. And also this unit are also covered and analysis of diuretics like furosemide. And the next unit, the fourth unit, this unit covered analysis of milk and milk products. And next unit covered of course this unit are also having analysis of food materials. And the last unit, fifth unit, clinical analysis of blood. So this paper is very important for industry purpose and are also in everyday life. So now come to the point. Today we are going to discuss about synthesis of aspirin. How to prepare a synthesis of aspirin? Now, synthesis of aspirin. So, what is aspirin? Acetyl salicylic acid acetyl salicylic acid is known as aspirin or 2-acetoxy benzoic acid is known as also known as aspirin. So aspirin is a non-narcotic drug. This is well-known established drug. So non-narcotic drug and are also analgesic and antipyretic properties having aspirin. So aspirin molecular formula C9H8O4. So what is the structure of aspirin? So aspirin structure. Now first draw the benzene ring and in this position connected with acetoxy group. So acetyl group CH3CU acetyl group and connected with oxygen. So that's why acetoxy group. This position connected with carboxylic acid. So give the numbers. First priority carboxylic acid. So that's why 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2-acetoxy benzoic acid. 2-acetoxy benzoic acid is known as aspirin. So molecular formula C9H8O4. So count the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. C9H8. Here also hydrogen is there. Hydrogen is there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course 5 plus 3, 8. And 4 was 2, 3, 4. It is satisfied the structure molecular formula. So how to prepare or how to synthesize the aspirin? So aspirin, salicylic acid on acetylation with acetic anhydride in the presence of little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid and get yields aspirin. So basically salicylic acid on acetylation process with acetic anhydride in the presence of little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid to get yield aspirin. Now preparation of aspirin, initially requirement of materials salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. So salicylic acid formula. Now here benzene ring. Here attached with hydroxy group. That means this is a hydroxy group attached with benzene. This is phenol. And this position are also attached with COOH group. COOH group. So that's why here also first priority carboxylic acid. So give the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2-hydroxy benzoic acid is known as salicylic acid. 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is known as salicylic acid. Is known as salicylic acid. And another one here, acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So acetic anhydride forms CH3CO twice O. This is also ethanoic anhydride are also. So CH3CO and connected with oxygen, connection of CO, CH3. So CH3CO twice, CH3CO and another CH3CO twice O. Acetic anhydride are, so number of carbons 2. So that's why ethanoic anhydride. This is also known as ethanoic anhydride. And third material, little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. Little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. So requirement of materials, chemicals are required. So now how to prepare or synthesize of aspirin. So reaction of the scheme. Now initially taking salicylic acid. First to draw the benzene ring and here position attached hydroxy group. This is a phenol and this position connected with COOH. So carboxylic acid. So 2-hydroxy benzoic acid. This is known as salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Now salicylic acid treated with acetic anhydride. CH3 CO again C double bond O CH3. So CH3COO and also CH3CO. CH3CO twice O. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So to give up what is the product? The presence of little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid. Here proton is break the bond. Proton. Here CH3COOH. So eliminate the CH3COOH. Eliminate the CH3COOH. Here CH3COOH. Acetic acid eliminated, and the remaining main product, benzene ring, as usually here, as usually connected carboxylic acid group, and also here O remaining COCH3. COCH3. So this is a aspirin. So first priority carboxylic acid. So give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 acetoxy benzoic acid or aspirin. Aspirin. This is a aspirin, well-known important drug. So CH3CO acetyl group connected with oxygen. So that's why acetoxy benzoic acid. Acetoxy benzoic acid or acetyl salicylic acid is known as aspirin. So what is the mechanism inside the reaction? What is the mechanism inside the reaction? Now first draw the again benzene ring here. So carboxylic acid also. So requiring material, basic material, salicylic acid. Salicylic acid. Mechanism. So initially salicylic acid, basic material taking. So this is the salicylic acid treated with acetic anhydride CH3COCH3. This is an acetic anhydride. This is the salicylic acid. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. So whenever salicylic acid treated with acetic anhydride in the presence of little amount of concentrated sulfuric acid, the sulfuric acid act as a catalyst. Sulfuric acid act as a catalyst. So here in this case, this carbonyl group, so double bond polarized here. So carbonyl carbon, so double bond polarized here. So here it is partially positive charge developed, the partially negative charge developed. So here electron rich space is connected to here. So next step. Here benzene ring. Yeah, usually CO, OH here, O, of course, hydrogen, and connection of C, single bond, so O minus, I bond polarized to here, so that's why O minus here partially positive charge linked to the pair of lone pair electron connected to this carbon. So here also methyl group is there, CH3 group, and the remaining portion O and C double bond O and CH3. So it is a intermediate product, and also here CH3CO O. So break the bond. So releases of proton. This means CH3COOH acetic acid has eliminated. CH3COOH elimination product CH3COOH and remaining. So here is a So loss of electron. So that's why it is arranged as a positive charge. Loss of electron, it is arranged as positive charge. So CH3COOH minus attract the proton to form element the acetic acid, and the remaining product. So this pair of bond pair electron come back to oxygen. So that's why product, as usually write the benzene ring and the remaining portion carboxylic acid CH3COH here. So pair of electron come back to oxygen. So O, remaining negative charge involved in this area, negative charge involved in this carbon. So that's why C double bond O, remaining CH3, remaining portion CH3. So give the numbers. So first priority carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid, I think COOH first priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So CH3CO. So state group connected with oxygen. So 2. So 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 acetoxy. Here benzene ring. 2 acetoxy. Benzoic. So COH oic acid. So 2 acetoxy benzoic acid. Or acetyl salicylic acid. This is known as aspirin. So what is the therapeutic uses of aspirin? It is aspirin is a multiple clinical uses. And first one, analgesics property, and are also analgesics used as antipyretics. And another uses anti-inflammatory. Basically, what is analgesics? So analgesics means reduce pain. That means reduce or abolish pain. So it is for muscular pain. It is used as a headache. So main thing analgesic property reduce the pain or abolishes pain. So muscular, used for muscular pain and headache pain. And another uses antipyretics. The antipyretic means reduce temperature. That means reduce fever. So aspirin multiple clinical uses. So it will act as a analgesic properties and antipyretic properties. And also aspirin used as a anti-inflammatory properties. That means it is used for swelling. That means it is mild, moderate migraine. migraine attacks. And there are also cold and flu. Cold and flu. Cold and flu. And another very very important uses aspirin, special uses. It prevention of platelet coagulation. Platelet coagulation. Platelet coagulation. Why it is prevention of platelet coagulation? That is because of aspirin. So because anti blood clotting action. So it is a very important uses. So prevention of platelet coagulation because of anti-blood clotting action. So that's why aspirin major role, main uses. So it prevents the heart stroke. So this is therapeutic uses. So that's why aspirin is a well-known drug and also multiple clinical use drugs.